to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a trend cake. I thought I would try the textured buttercream that makes it look like a knitted sweater. So let's get started.
I stack the cake first. This is banana cake and vanilla American buttercream. I crumb coat the cake. And clean up the cake board. Then I frost the cake again. Smooth it down. And clean up the cake board again. Now, because the frosting is so light, it's hard to see on camera. So I'll explain what I'm doing. I have 2 piping bags with the same vanilla buttercream and fitted with small star tips. One is slightly larger than the other. So first I pipe a line of V shapes down the cake. Then I do this 4 times around the cake, evenly spaced. Then I pipe a vertical line between the cabling. Then, switching tips to a smaller tip, I pipe another line of these between all the lines I've already piped. Then, to fill in the blank spaces, I pipe some simple stars. Then along the top of the cake, I pipe a rope border, filling in any holes with stars. Then I pipe a round of V's, a round of stars, and a swirl in the middle. This is such an interesting technique. It's very forgiving, so I would recommend it for people with very little piping experience. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new video comes out.